welcome to KichaTube HD. Today we are making Palak Paneer. I have all the ingredients over here. So let's start. A little bit of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add the onion. Cook until it's soft. Next, ginger garlic. Green chili. Salt. Next, the spices. Chili powder. Garam Masala. Cumin powder. Chopped tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes are mushy. The tomatoes are cooked and mushy. Now cool it down. After cooling, we're going to grind it into a paste. It just cooled down and now I'm going to grind it. I added a little bit of water. It's like a whirlpool. Now, ready? Now on the pan. Add the remaining ghee. The ghee is hot. Next, add the mix. I've added water to it. Cook it for a while. Next, add palak. I blanched it and made it into a paste. Cook. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Next, add paneer. Cook for a couple of minutes. Paneer is cooked. Next, add cream, sugar, and dry methi leaves. Crush and add to bring out the flavor. Couple of minutes, then it's done. Then I'm going to transfer it in a serving dish. And our palak paneer is ready. It's very good with Indian bread and pulaus. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching KichaTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. And don't forget Instagram. Bye. Mwah.